Hi guys, nice to see you again and thank you for watching Cooking with an Italian. Today guys, something very nice, little bit different and taste a al bacio, like always. I'm going to make some classic Italian sausage meat and pastry, and we're gonna make like croissant. I show you what we need. First step, we need pastry. For do this, we need circle one, okay? I use some classic Italian sausage meat. It's salt, pepper, garlic and fennel seeds. Ask your butcher, but you can use any sausage meat or mince, everything. And turn on the oven, preheat the oven because they going in the oven, okay? First step, we're gonna put the meat on the pastry, okay? And always guys, if you like this video, share with friends, subscribe on the channel and check our website cookingwithanitalian.com. What we do now is this, okay? Press. We're gonna put all the way, okay? And leave little bit here, okay? Now, second step, guys, we're gonna cut, okay? Like we cut the pizza. Okay, again. And last one. Now, it's very easy, guys, eh? I have some cooked ham, cheese, some mushrooms, some spinach. You can use everything you like. I show you a couple and later you can do what you like. Example, some cheese you're gonna put in the end here, okay? Put in the end here, some cooked okay? Example, we do this like that, okay? And we can put some two spinach, okay? Gentle, just roll it. Just like that. Yeah? Is that? Is this? Okay? I show you another one. I put cheese, mushrooms, spinach. I will. It's done. Okay? Do yours and later I'll show you the next step, okay? I don't know how do you call this. We in Italy we call cornetti di carne, but they are like croissant, you know. Anyway, the same process when you do the sausage roll. I put 2 eggs inside here, brush it, and they go in the oven, okay? 200 degrees. Maybe we're gonna cook around half an hour. I gonna be more precise later, okay? See you when we wanna test them, okay? Okay guys, my croissant stuffed with Italian sausage meat, they ready. They 40 minutes, 200 degrees. Oh yeah, they're beautiful. Oh yeah, fantastic. You see? Absolutely nice. Guys, always, this is my croissant. Always, if you like, finger up and follow us. Ciao!